The parliamentary status of House Bill number 4058 is that it is in the period of sponsorship and debate. I now move to consider the proposed budget of the Congress of the Philippines.
There's a motion. Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move to recognize Representative Maria Carmen Zamora, Vice Chair of the Committee on Appropriations, 1st District, Davao de Oro,
The
for the
Honorable
sponsorship speech.
Maria Carmen S. Zamora from Davao de Oro, 1st District, is recognized for her sponsorship speech.
Thank you. Sir Speaker, distinguished colleagues, it is with great honor and responsibility that I rise today to sponsor the proposed budget of the Congress of the Philippines for fiscal year 2026. Mr. Speaker, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, the proposed budget reflects our continuing commitment to strengthen the capacity of Congress as an institution so that we may effectively carry out our constitutional mandate of legislation, representation, and oversight. I earnestly appeal to this august chamber for your full support and approval of the proposed budget of the Congress of the Philippines for fiscal year 2026. Thank you, Madam Speaker. This representation is now prepared to respond to any questions or clarifications from our esteemed colleagues.
Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, can we recognize the Honorable Elisan Fernando from the Kamanggagawa Party List?
The Honorable Elijah San Fernando from the Kamanggagawa Party List is recognized for his interpellation.
Good morning, Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor. Dahil wala pong magtatanong mula sa bahagi ng minorya, we move to terminate the period of interpellation and debate for the budget of the Congress of the Philippines. So move, Madam Speaker.
What does the House say?
Madam Speaker, on the part of the majority, we join the minority in the motion to terminate the interpellations on the proposed budget of the Congress of the Philippines.
There's a joint motion to terminate the interpellations on the proposed budget of the Congress of the Philippines. Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The interpellations on the proposed budget of the Congress of the Philippines is terminated.
I move to suspend.
Majority Leader.
I move to suspend, Madam Speaker.